Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing materials that match your purpose. Pick paper weight first because it dictates ink bleed and durability. Once chosen, decide size, A5 for portability, A4 for layouts, and binding style so your pages turn the way you want. Assemble tools now: ruler, craft knife, bone folder, glue, and a sturdy cover board. Make sure to test a single sheet with your preferred pen to confirm compatibility before cutting papers or committing to a binding method. You now lay out the internal structure. Start by allocating pages to each section: index, monthly, weekly, and notes, so you won't run out mid-year. Once done, set margins and decide on grid, dotted, or blank pages. These choices affect writing flow and aesthetics. Make a printable template with consistent header sizes and safe areas, then apply page numbers and tabs or color coding to speed navigation. Test a 2-page spread printed at final size to confirm visual balance. You assemble by aligning all pages precisely. Clamp and bind using your chosen method: adhesive, stitched, or ring, and let glue cure under weight. Next, finish the cover. Laminate or wrap cover board, add an elastic closure and internal pocket for receipts, and trim or round corners for durability. If pages bow or warp, press under weight with absorbent paper and replace any that are damaged. Make sure to re-glue loose sections immediately and keep spare printed pages for swaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.